Hi, this is Sachin, a Linux enthusiast. So today in this video, I'll let you know about a Linux certification course offered by Red Hat, which you can access for free. So stay tuned. Now you can see that I am on Red Hat portal, which describes the course that will be accessible to us via EDX platform. This post was lastly updated on 7th June 2017, wherein it was announced as massive open online course. That means this course will be accessible to all the people for free. Next, it describes about the course. So we will be accessing the course by the above link. Once we hit this link, we will be navigated to the EDX page, wherein we can see the information that how many number of people are already enrolled in this course. So in order to access this course, we will hit the enroll button that will navigate us to a page wherein we will be asked to sign in or sign up. So if you are already a user of EDX platform, you can sign in, or if you are new user, you can sign up with any of the option mentioned here. So I will be signing in with my account with EDX. So once I sign in, I will be congratulated for enrolling myself with the Reddit Enterprise Linux course. So there are two ways in which we can pursue this course. Either we can pursue the verified track, which simply means we will be paying the cost and we will get the certificate after qualifying the course. The second way is we can audit the course, which doesn't offer us certificates after in completing it. So we will be hitting the audit this course button to audit. So once you click on it, you will be presented with an information that will say that audit access will expire on 2nd of March 2021. In my case, because I enrolled in the month of January, and that will vary from your date of enrollment, or will be calculated on the basis of your date of enrollment. Then in the next line it is mentioned you can upgrade your profile from audit to a verified track course by date 26 January 2021. That will vary on the basis of your date of enrollment. So by that time or before this time, you can upgrade your profile to a verified track, which means you will pay the cost and you will get the certificate after qualifying this course. So in order to do that, you will click on the upgrade now button, and then you will be navigated to a page wherein you will be asked to pay the fees. So at present the cost is more than at present the cost is about 7,000 to 235 rupees. And let's see how we can navigate through the content. So first of all, we will be clicking on any of the link, like I will click on introduction, and below I am clicking on course basics. This is how our content will be visible to us from the uh, provider. And here this is a very user friendly uh, menu from where we can enlarge the video so that we can see the instruction clearly. And then once done, we will get a green check on the content which we are done with. And then we can click on the next button. There is a two button next on the above and the top, so you can keep on moving after watching the content, or you can uh, take notes or whatever you want. So once done, you can click on the home button, from where you can switch to the next content. And in the way you will completing, you will get a green tick so that you can remember what all content you are done with. So let me show you a quiz. How will be you will be getting the quiz. So in majority of the module you will have some quizzes. So there you will get two attempts, and once you submit, you will get how many attempts you have used. After selecting your option, you can click on the submit button, and if your answer is correct, you will get a green tick which says your answer is correct. If wrong, you will get a cross sign which means your answer is wrong. So you can attempt your quiz, which will test your knowledge based on the lectures or the content covered. So back on the front page, so here is a step-by-step content which you can go through, and in case of any problem, let me know. Thanks for watching.